Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In our previous video, we covered how to purchase a TaxTron Web license for personal tax filing. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to purchase a TaxTron Web license for corporate tax filing. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and visit the official TaxTron website. Once the website loads, click on Products from the top menu. Under the Web Products section, select NETFILE Web. You will see two options such as Personal Tax Filing, Corporate Tax Filing. Click on Corporate Tax Filing to continue. Next, sign in to your existing TaxTron account. If you're a new user, simply create a TaxTron Web account and sign in. After logging in, you can either create a new corporate return or open an existing return that you've already prepared. Enter all the required tax information and complete the return as usual. When you're ready to print or electronically file your return, navigate to the Review and File section. Here, you will see the available license options. The first option is a single license, which is valid for filing one T2 corporate tax return. You will also see additional license packages that allow you to file 3 T2 returns, along with the license valid period. Select the license option that best suits your needs, and click on that. Then enter your payment information, and click Pay Now. Once your payment has been processed successfully, you will receive a confirmation email containing your license details. These details will be available for use when preparing and filing your T2 corporate tax return. And that's it. Now, after watching both tutorials, you know how to purchase TaxTron Web licenses for both personal and corporate tax filing. If you have any questions or need assistance, please feel free to contact TaxTron Support. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.